And also, guys, it seems like the MK is being isolated as they should. You know, one thing that the MK did was to attack first. Now, everybody is retaliating, and now they are confused. Once people start to retaliate, they are confused. What have they done? Why are they being attacked? I saw Floyd wrote a long thing, which I'm going to read for you guys. So, Colin Malachi said, Zuma is the real enemy of the ANC. Yeah, bon? So now I saw Floyd writing a long thing, trying to counter the statement that Malachi made, them being called the enemy. Let us be fair and remember that MK attacked everybody first. The ANC was gonna retaliate and attack back. The EFF was going to retaliate and attack back. You don't attack someone and then you expect them not to fight back and say it's okay. Doesn't work like that. Now, the ANC is fighting back. And it's not going to be cute. So, now that the ANC is fighting back, Floyd wrote something. They start to manipulate you and they talk about unit. Let's read what he wrote, son. First of all, Floyd posted the old pictures when they were in Mabita. He doesn't even have current pictures. I wonder if he's still SG. Anyway, this is what Floyd posted. Those who mischaracterize. First of all, Utum Kondo is mischaracterizer. Basically. Sim understand wrong, basically. So he says, those who mischaracterize Umkhonto weSizwe as President Zuma and President Zuma as enemy force have worrying level of ideology, comprehension of the struggle against colonialism. They also have understanding of the ideological character of their own former and aspirant liberation movements. The MK is a liberation movement that seeks to unite all progressive forces for total emancipation. We don't view any of the black political parties as enemies, but as future strategic partners in the war against colonialism. We need to conduct joint political schools with all formations. We need to join combined. Formers are combined as political parties. Sifundiswe together. Sibe EFF, sibe MK, sibe ANC, sifundiswe together. Abathanda combine, abathanda unite. When you attack back, they're gonna tell you about unit. When they attack you, nobody talks about unit. But when you fight back, they talk about unit. That's the MK for you. So Floyd, we need to the MK is a liberation movement, and they don't view black parties as enemies, but future strategic partners. Kodwa, as much as they don't view these black parties as enemies, when they want to destroy the party and take the leaders, they take them. MK has taken people from the ANC and is trying to destroy the ANC. Kodwa, the same MK is saying, Ubana, you are not our enemy. Jani, son. Jani. I don't understand their reasoning. Floyd the ideology, the level of comprehension is worrying. PhD. But okay, we need to conduct joint political schools with all the formations, and I am 100% convinced that the ignorance and mischaracterization will be cured. The struggle continues. Aluta continua. So okay, Zuma Warren, and he is not an enemy of, but the leader of all liberation forces, no retreat. Powerful Floyd, because the statement said, Zuma is not the enemy of the black forces, but he is the leader of all. So now, Floyd, ufuna Zuma maganga atekwa, Zuma leader yabantu bonke. So uZuma uzobayilida ye-ANC, abeyilida ye-EFF, abeyilida MK, abeyilida ATM, abeyilida yomuntu wonke. In what world, son? Floyd baphambene God. Something is definitely wrong. You cannot tell me that Floyd they believe ezinto bazithetha. You can never convince me otherwise. Floyd and bazibhala uyazi believe for real. I don't think so. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be dropping a YouTube episode tomorrow morning because kasani kukho nezomkhwebane umkhwebane uthreatenisha abantu bana they must attend the meeting if abantu they respect and love Nxamalala. Because she doesn't have any authority over those people. Now she's rather threatened them by Nxamalala. Ziyakhala sad. Anyway, I'm gonna drop a YouTube episode in the morning. Struggle continues, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section because wow, kushush.